Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us crewmate with a Minecraft sword hat. I kind of like it. It looks pretty cool. It's like that typical sword hat, except it's going to be a Minecraft one, so it looks like a cool crossover. All right, first things first, I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker and regular printing paper, and that is it. For beginners, by the way, but you can just watch, not a big deal. Also, I'm going to show you one thing that I think makes every drawing better toward the end, because it's the very end. Okay, so let's get started. First thing first, I'm going to draw a curved arch like so, and that's going to be the actual, what do you call it? The actual visor. Okay, right over here. Curve over here on this side, also the visor. Over here, it's a mirror of that. Very simple, easy. Also, I'm Enrique, by the way. I worked on a couple of movies and a couple of small game companies, and now I'm on YouTube just chilling out. So, just to let you know who I am. Curve underneath. Right there, that's a mirror of that. And so now you have like a pillow shape, by the way. Also, if you want to know anything about me, I love dinosaurs. I'm obsessed with dinosaurs, actually. I have dinosaurs all over my desk. That's not a joke. I do. I can reach out and grab a dinosaur right now, in fact. Oh, I got a dinosaur figure. I have literally dinosaur figures all over my desk because I'm obsessed with them. All right, that's just a side little fact of me. All right, curve over here, front, forehead. Little mini arc for that forehead. I'm gonna go to the front of the body over here and draw a straight line-ish down. So he got his stomach down to his feet area. Like I said, that looks like a pillow. Love that pillow shape. Go over here, kind of toward the back, and I'm going to draw a straight line down for his back. All right. Curve underneath here for 1 foot. He's got this big old square marshmallow style foot, and over here as well. Curve for that marshmallow style foot. Both go up here. Both go up, and I'm gonna curve in on this side, alright? Alright, marshmallow feet stuck under this big marshmallowy pillow body and this pillow face. This pillow face. Alright, gonna go from here to here. Thinking about a halfway point, only thinking about it, right? Only thinking about it. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to pull back over here. Line. Pull down over here. About the lower portion of the body. Down here. I'm going to mark these two, and that's going to be the backpack. The backpack is going to look, curve line here. It's going to look like a loaf of bread. Yeah, I'm hungry for that bread. Or a turtle shell. Either one. I think it looks more like bread, though, personally. Okay, so let's get into that Minecraft sword hat. It's going to be, like I said, really, pretty much, it's going to be remarkably easy, you're going to find. It's going to be, like, shockingly easy. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to draw it as a straight line here. Curve line over here, because that's the way the other sword hat is, or the machete hat. And I'm going to keep curving that line. Like so you see part of his head. I'm gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna draw the thicker part of that sword over here so that it goes through. So it's also gonna be a straight line for now. Okay. And then it's gonna go down at a kind of a V shape over here. Okay. And then we are going to draw a straight line over here for now. Straight line over here for now. The hilt. Is that what you call the hilt? I forget what you call this where you grab it. I'm not going to look it up now. I'm sorry. But I know I forgot what it's called. Forgive me. And then I'm going to draw a diamond-like shape at the end of that. Okay. Okay, so now let's get into the actual construction of the kind of the Minecraft part of this. So what I want to do is I want to make this look like a blocky sword, and so now I have my framework right there, and so this is what I'm going to do, okay? I'm going to go draw inward here, and I'm going to draw the edge like that. as far as the sword, the actual, I think that's the hilt, right? Oh, I didn't look it up. You're screaming at me in the comments. I can feel it. Forgive me. Put in the comments, what is that part of the sword called? So I'm making it blocky already, and I'm gonna kind of keep doing that along the entire thing. So right now, for example, I'm gonna draw a, like if you close in on this line, I'm gonna do this right here. Make it a stair. See that? It's a stair step. Like that. See, with a marker, or you can do with pen or pencil. I'm gonna make it that. I'm gonna pull that line in as well. I'm gonna make it a stair step on one side, and then I'm gonna go over here. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go over here and make it a stair step on the other side. See, I'm gonna draw like this little, almost like a 7 shape. And what I'm doing is I'm making that black line just over here into blocky forms. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Stair step, right? Little stair step shape, little tiny one. Tiny one here. Tiny one here. And we're gonna keep going. And you don't have to be perfect. Don't worry about it. This is, you know, just you want to have an approximation of this stair step, so that it looks like pixels. See, stair step, stair step. So it looks like pixelated form. And we're gonna do that throughout the sword. Obviously, the end of the sword is just, you know, straight up like it's pretty even. And obviously, the underside over here, we're gonna do that. But it's remarkably easy to make it look de-resed in that way. Alrighty. And we're gonna do the same thing over here as well. So we can approximate it. You don't have to make it look exactly like it, like I said, but what you're doing is you're drawing these diamond square shapes throughout the form to make it look slightly rezzed. Going over here, the top. It does have a fainter one in the middle, you know, that's why the sword looks so thick. There is a fainter, but I'm not going to do that. I think that's just too faint. I'm going to go over here at the edge. And fill that in. And also I'm going to do the same thing over here with this line. I'm going to put the stair step right here as well. Ooh, man, I am chilling out. Stair step, stair step, stair step, stair step. Stair step, stair step. And like I said, that's how you eventually do that. Do it as much as you can, but it doesn't have to be exact, like I said. Just to be good enough. Yeah, alright, almost here. Obviously the color will make it look more like that sword as well. It's more like a blue kind of thing going on. I guess there's different versions of it. Yeah, just kind of cleaning that up a little bit here. Okay, let me show you that thing I do for every painting, okay? So, there you go. That is a Minecraft sword in his head. At least the version that we did with marker. And let me show you what I do for every, one second, every painting. Cool. Yeah, see, it's almost like a work of art, right? Like you're kind of like, oh yeah, like going into this like a painting, you know? So let me show you what else I do. So what I like to do is I like to throw a thick border around the entire thing. I don't have to do it around that because that's entirely filled in already. But what I can do is I can go over here and I can do this right here, just the outside contour line. The outside contour line is, imagine you just see a silhouette of this guy, right? Alright, cool. Let me know what your favorite movie is, by the way, in the comments. My favorite movie is Lord of the Rings. That is completely off topic, but I was thinking about a lot of different stuff. I've basically been on Instagram a bunch, so I'm going through all kinds of stuff like that. So yeah. All right, see, I did that border, and I think what that does is it makes it look like a sticker, kind of unifies the entire thing, and I just think it makes it look a lot better. So that is the thing that I do in almost everything. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe if you are into this kind of stuff. It is awesome and fun to do. I want to have a lot more fun on this channel. Like I said, I want to tell you more about my life. That's kind of it. Hit the subscribe if you liked it, and also share it if you liked it. That's a big deal. So that's kind of it. My name's Enrique. I'll see you next time.